Siyaqinisa ukuthi umthunzi ucela ukuthi azoba yidona kaKhumo nje ubuKhumo esenkingeni, but ke abanye bathi ke umuntu uyakwazi ukudonate noma abe imatch even though engasiyena oyifamily. Ngapha uDinhle guys kusola sengazi ukuthi upregnant. Umadlome kade ufuna idivorce kodwa engazi ukuthi cha akusiyo kahle hle into ayifunayo njengamanje. Hello everyone, welcome back to Sally Live Show and thank you so much guys for tuning in. I'm here to update you of what's going to happen on ETV Scandal from the 16th to the 20th of June 2025 on Monday. A family crisis calls for Mthunzi to step up in an unexpected way. A husband's romantic gesture put his transgression out of his wife's mind. Fraudulent activity has a couple at each other's throat on Tuesday. Backed into a corner, a con artist has no choice but to improvise. A daughter pushes it for the truth about the past, but she gets banished from her present. TD makes an impulsive call in a desperate gamble for answers on Wednesday. A desperate search leads to an impossible choice, where consent becomes the biggest obstacle. Tloso's women are up in arms, and he's getting nothing but headache from both sides on Thursday. After a difficult conversation with Kumo, Tep chooses the latter of two evils. Madlomo leaves Dintle with a bitter taste in her mouth. Sidi lies to divert and persuade someone else to help her get the bag on Friday. Ntloso drops a bombshell on his wife. Tiro opens his eyes, but is it him or Dino? Yo, indaba kaDino noTiro guys iqala ukusinika ingxaki ke ngoku. Even after a very close call, TD is determined to see her scheme through. Well guys, this is all I have for today. You can leave your comment below and share your opinion. Bye. Siyaqinisa ukuthi umthunzi